P.O. freaking B, guys. We're going to San Francisco.
Very nice train. We're going to San Francisco and I'm gonna frick some cham chowder. I'm really hungry.
I actually need to delete some videos because I don't have any storage.
My heart it beats for you.
P.O. freaking V. We have clam chowder bowls now.
And 4 pieces of calamari.
4 pieces of calamari. And I have soup.
Got soup.
You should share one.
We're dancing.
We're dancing! Wishful thinking again. I need to open it. I need to enjoy it with my coffee. You should have just given you this one.
It's okay. And now I get 3 biscoff cookies. I'm just kidding.
You guys are better than us because you got 3.
Or so he thinks.
I got the big one.
Oh, I wanna stay up all night and jump around until we see the sun. I wanna stay up all night and find a lass and tell her she's the one. Hold on to the feeling and don't let it go, cause we got the floor now, get out of control. I wanna stay up all night and do it all with you. Up all night like this all night.
I knew it. That was really good. Oh, catch John.
I'm feeling like a star, you can't stop my shine. I'm flying cloud 9, my head's in the sky. Okay, I'm done with your ego.
Okay, Gian, show us the photos, the outcome.
Here's one.
Wow.
Here's scrambled. This is the second one. The other one is in my bag. Just give me one moment. It's a lot more successful. It was the first one that we did.
Cute. Wow.
They're giving me kisses in this one. In the name of pride.
Be who you are.
Be you
Be who you are for your pride. I was lost in motion and struck by the image of you.
Does she fit in? Guys, I think they fit in. I left this in my past, but now she's chugging too. Straight. Oh my gosh, chug.
Like, don't even have a face after this.
She's so good. You chug a little bit of water. Delectable.
How do you drink this, dude?
I'm a light
Oh, you ask a million questions that I barely even got the answer to. So we sit across the table, we full of nothing. Promise you can't hold my heart, 'cause there's nobody else. Promise you can't hold my heart, oh baby, yeah. And nobody else is true. It's something that I
try.
How we doing, San Francisco? My name is Perez. I got Timmy over there, Itchy over there, and you guys right here. I said, a 2-trunk kiss to the top for the night. I'm wicked the fit, bring up the dip up with the bit of us. Timmy, got it, my guy. Oh, wow, oh, wow. 2-trunk kiss to the top for the night.
Wait, shit. When's the last time you watched that, bro? Oh, it's gotta have that bacteria stuff in it, man.
I was lost in a ocean and struck by the invasion. In the midst of a transit, I fell in love with the girl at the station. I'm patiently waiting for us to pass again.
It sounds like TikTok. You're gonna sing it. I'm gonna sing it the right way. Got a funky feeling in my head. Let me in, please.
My op shop lover.
Post concert, dog 1, dog 2, and I got a merch item.
Never felt to help me get up and down. Get me through my Monday.
And I,